Really exciting. So I had heard of helicopter techniques. I knew they did it in the early years at my school, and I was really curious about how it might affect me as a Year 1 teacher and the transition that I manage, especially at the beginning of the year. So finding out about it really sort of opened the door to exploring a new way of managing that transition for me, which was really child-led and very empowering to child voice.
They were brilliant sessions, really fun, really exciting. We just couldn't wait to do the sessions with the children. The children took it on board really quickly as well.
I think the empowerment that the children feel when they see something that comes from their imagination enacted by their peers is a really powerful moment.
The main benefits are the storytelling, the increase in children's confidence, the turn-taking, their enjoyment, their imagination, watching all of that.
Yeah. It's definitely confidence, isn't it?
Yeah.
The first few times they might not decide not to take part, but once they see their friends taking part, then the next time they're much more eager to have a go. And yeah, it's inclusive to all the children.
This year, especially our literacy levels have really gone up. The progress that the children have made from September to July, just within a year, and it is one of the main things that we do is helicopters. We think it's mainly down to helicopters,
and the links to it,
and the links to the literacy and all the other different curriculum areas.
I think that being a Centre for Excellence is very exciting because it means that we can share good practice, and I feel like being able to share what's going well is a really exciting opportunity, and so as a school, being a Centre for Excellence means that we can advertise that and be like, yeah, this is one thing which we worked really hard at, we think that we're good at, and it's a skill that we'd like to share so that people can enjoy it as well.